Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Uh, Hello, class 9, how are you doing? It's a long time since we all are in lockdown, and the situation of lockdown has compelled us to go online. And this is my second class for class 9. In previous class, I had described about what is an angle, what is what is meaning of adjacent angles, and what is a right angle. And I hope you have learned this in class 8 as well. Class In class 8 we have talked about degree measurement, grade measurement, and radian measurement. Is it? So in class 9 we'll go a bit swiftly. So this is the page of your book. Here, what is trigonometry? What is the meaning of trigonometry and what is the importance of angles in trigonometry, that is mentioned here. An angle is measured in three systems. One is sexagesimal system, it is also called English system, and another is centesimal system, it is also known as French system, and the third system, that is circular system, is SI system, international system, for the measurement of an angle. And most of our general purpose we use hexadecimal system in our daily life because we had been doing so since your childhood, my childhood. But for scientific uses, an angle is measured in radian, that is circular system. So in first part we will talk about sexagesimal system and then centesimal system. In later stage, in another lesson, we will especially focus upon SI system, that is circular system. In previous class we have learnt about right angle. Now the basic unit of measurement in sexagesimal system is degree. It is called degree. Now question is, what is called degree? How much big angle is called 1 degree? So let us see that. If a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts here, if one right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, then the measurement of each angle, each part is said to be 1 degree. 1 degree. And what I said, if right angle is divided into 90 equal parts, then the measurement of each part is said to be 1 degree. And there are sub units as well, means units within unit. If a degree is divided into 60 equal parts, mind it, now 60 equal parts, then the measurement of each subdivision is said to be 1 sexagesimal minute. 1 sexagesimal minute. And even if we go further, if a sexagesimal minute is divided into 60 equal parts, then each subdivision of sexagesimal minute is called 1 sexagesimal second. So therefore, as I said earlier, the 60 sexagesimal seconds, it is written like this, is equivalent to 1 sexagesimal minute, and 60 such minutes together make 1 degree. This is how to write 1 degree, and 90 degrees together make 1 right angle. So I am going little fast because you have done it in class 8. Degree, minute and second are represented by the symbols. See, degree means this in superscript small 0, here 1 inverted comma for minute and double inverted comma for second. This is for sexagesimal system. Now centesimal system. Unit of measurement of angle in this system is grade. The basic unit in centesimal system is grade, and subdivision of grade is called centesimal minute, and subdivision of centesimal minute is called centesimal second. If there is no confusion, then we don't repeat word centesimal again and again. Only grade, minute, second, but it is in centesimal system. So symbols and names of subunits are same as in sexagesimal system, but their meaning context is different. Now what is 1 grade? If a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts. You know what is the size of right angle? In previous class I have explained with picture. So if a right angle is divided into 100 equal parts, then the measurement of each division is said to be 1 grade. 1 grade. And grade is indicated with a small g in superscript. Like if you write 90 grade, 90, and in superscript a small g. And now if you go to divide a grade, if a grade is divided into 100 equal parts, then each subdivision is called 1 centesimal minute or simply minute. Minute is indicated by 1 inverted comma. And if a centesimal minute is further divided into 100 equal parts, then the measurement of each subdivision is said to be 1 centesimal minute. Okay. So after this class is over, you can go through this video again and again. There is no restriction. You complete this class. If you have anything to listen to, again you can replay it. Okay. Now let us go to next page. See at the here 100 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute in both in centesimal system. Don't confuse with sexagesimal system. This is centesimal system. 100 centesimal seconds is equivalent to 1 centesimal minute. Similarly, 100 such minutes together make 1 grade, and 100 grades together make 1 right angle. This is the relationship between subunits in centesimal system. Now question is, if you have an angle in degree minute second and you want to convert into grade minute second and vice versa, how shall you do it? Just see here, 90 degree is equivalent to 100 grade because both are right angles. So by unitary method 1 degree is 10 by 9 grade, and if you reverse it 1 grade is equal to 9 by 10 degree. This is all for the time being. Now quickly let us see some solutions. Their question is converted into seconds. But which system, that you have to recognize. This angle is in which system? Because degree is present there. So this is sexagesimal system. So you just see the mouse pointer. And here question number 2, this angle is in centesimal system, because here the basic unit is grade. Now if question is convert into seconds, means if angle is in sexagesimal unit, you convert into sexagesimal second. If it is in centesimal system, then convert into centesimal seconds. So don't jump the system. So here degree, minute, second, and your objective is to go to seconds. So a degree into 60 means minute, again into 60, that will become second. So 25 degree is this much second. 50 minute is minute into 60 will become second. So this is second. And 45 is only second. So plus 45. So this all together make this much 90,945 seconds. But you remind it, it is sexagesimal system. Okay. So question number 2. 56 grade 78 minute 65 second. This is in centesimal system. So you have to go to centesimal seconds. So grade multiplied, double multiplied by 100 will make it second. Minute once multiplied by 100 will make it second. 65, it is already second. So multiply and add, it is 56 5,67,865 seconds. See here, this is in decimal system. So it is very easily converted into seconds and vice versa. Just 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5. Remove all units, it will become seconds. 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5. If there is single digit, suppose 56 grade and only 7 minute, then here you will write 07. Okay, so try it. Then we'll, if you have confusion, you give me your queries. You can post it on WhatsApp group, or you can write here also, because you know at the end of your virtual class there is one button, upload assignment. So you post your assignment, and in that paper you write your confusion also. Now let us see some more questions. Reduce means change. 56 grade 88 minutes 66 second into sexagesimal system. Means here question is asking jump from one system to another system. Grade to degree. And next question, degree to grade. What you know? These angles are given with sub-units also. So it becomes a bit complex. You know, if you go back, what was the formula? Degree to grade. 10 by 9 was the factor. A grade to degree. 9 by 10 is the factor to multiply. So, but here angles are not purely in grade or purely in degree. That's why your first job is to take into basic unit. They like 56 grade 88 minutes 66 second. So it will be 56.8866 grade. And here degree, minute, second, you have to convert into degree first. Then you can jump from one system to other system. Let us see first. 56, 88, 66. This is in centesimal system. So as I had mentioned you earlier, direct you can write 56.8866 grade. 56 was whole grade. These are fractional angles with respect to grade. So 56 grade 88 minute 66 second is 56.8866. Why? It is so because it is in decimal system. Now this is all the grade. Now grade to degree. So multiply by 9 by 10, and after as soon as you write 9 by 10, you have to change the unit now. Degree. Here this side left side grade, right side degree. This was our purpose. So multiply it, you will get 51.19794 degree. So 51 is whole number. This is fraction of degree. Whole number remains whole number. Now fraction degree has to be taken back to minute. So 0.19794 into 60. You will get 11 whole number, that is 11 minute. This division process of division has not been shown here. You can try in your copy. 0.19794 multiplied by 60. As soon as you will multiply by 60, you will get 11 as whole number and some fraction. That is fraction of minute. At that fraction into 60 will make 52.584. This is degree, this is minute, this is second. Okay. Now vice versa. So question number 2. What was question number 2? It was in degree, minute, second. Sexagesimal system. 15 degree, 12 minute, 45 second. The 15 is whole number. 12 is minute. So minute to degree, 12 by 60. A second to degree, sorry, there is some misprint, so you can correct it. It should be 48 here. Here 45 is printed. See there, it is 48. 15 degree, 12 minute, 48 second. So 15 plus minute by 60 plus second by 60 into 60. Now these all are in degree. So combine it, it is 15.2125 degree. So this degree with minute second has been converted into fraction of degree. So 15 is whole number, this is fraction of a degree. Now you are ready to convert it into grade. 15.2125 degree equal to degree into 10 by 9 will make it now grade. This side degree, this side grade. If you simplify this, you will get 16.9028 grade. Approximately, it is not exact. And since this centesimal system follows the rule of decimal system, now 16 is whole number, 16 grade, 90 minute and 28 seconds. So here it is easy. Okay. So from decimal fraction to grade, minute, second, it is easy. Backward is also easy. Just put one decimal. So this is how to convert degree, minute, second into grade, minute, second. So based upon today's discussion, I'll give you some questions. So let us go to question page. So focus here. That I'll give you homework. change the following into seconds as we had discussed in the example. Wait for a moment. So these are the questions for homework. Change the following into seconds. You have to remain in same system. If it is in degree minute second, the sexagesimal seconds. If it is grade minute second, then centesimal second. And here degree to grade and grade to degree. Question number 2. So it should be done according to second exam. And here are some logical questions which you have done in 8th class also. You try yourself. If you are able to solve, it's all right. If you are not able to solve, you can write your comment and post it for me either through WhatsApp group or through this virtual class application. Okay, so this is all for today. Tomorrow we'll meet again with some more topics. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home. Don't move here and there and concentrate on your classes. See you again. Thank you.